just a quick video on how to remove baseboards. I'm using DeWalt tools. I got a pry bar, a painter's tool, utility knife, and a hammer if they're necessary. And basically you're going to want to cut the caulking from the wall. It's really thick right here. And you can either take your pry bar or your painter's tool and wedge it in and pull back. If you do it with a bar, you get more leverage, and you can actually go like that and really pull it back, and then the whole thing just comes off. Part didn't get cut right there. And that's just a quick and easy way on how to remove a baseboard.